How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can remove the cursor trail in OSU. So if we go ahead and play through one of our levels right here, we can then see the trail of our OSU cursor. Now, in order to disable this, it's going to be extremely simple. You want to actually navigate through the settings of your OSU, but instead of looking for the actual trail right here, which will be a hard time for others, you just want to simply search for trail and then it will actually show up on results. So you just want to make sure that this is unchecked, and now if we play one of our levels, we have successfully disabled the cursor trails right here. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and make sure to follow us for more videos like this. And as always, thanks for watching.